Did you know have left an indelible mark? From the early days of radar, revolutionizing detection and communication, to the precision of drones, these technological advancements have redefined warfare. Imagine operations conducted blindly, without the sharp eyes of surveillance or the agility of unmanned aircraft. These innovations are game changers that have transformed military engagements. Consider the evolution of armored vehicles, turning the tide of ground battles, or the strategic advantage provided by advanced missile systems with unparalleled accuracy. Each of these 27 groundbreaking innovations signifies a leap forward, reshaping tactics and altering history's course. Their significance extends beyond functionality. They represent a shift in how nations defend, deter, and deploy. As we explore these transformative developments, we uncover the stories behind them, the challenges they addressed, and the potential they unlocked. These innovations continue to impact military strategies and ripple into civilian life, influencing technology and society. Stay with us as we delve into a compelling case study of one such transformative innovation next. In the heart of our exploration, we reach a pivotal moment that forever altered naval warfare. Imagine when seas were ruled by surface ships, vulnerable to attacks from above. Then came a game-changing innovation, the nuclear submarine. This marvel redefined naval strategy, allowing vessels to glide silently beneath the waves, undetected. Developed during the Cold War, the nuclear submarine provided unparalleled stealth and endurance. It could stay submerged for months, evading detection and maintaining a constant presence in strategic waters. This innovation transformed naval operations and instilled a new era of deterrence. The profound effect of this technology was immediate and far-reaching. Nations scrambled to adapt, understanding that control of the seas had irrevocably shifted. The nuclear submarine became a symbol of military prowess, a silent guardian patrolling the depths. As we dissect this pivotal case study, consider how such innovations continue to shape military strategies today. They remind us of the relentless drive implications of military innovations on both armed forces and civilian life. Stay tuned as we unravel their breaking innovation.